like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hello SP fans, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. I am back with most recommended video by you, which is affordable makeup brushes set. Disclaimer, it's not a promotional video. I am giving my honest review to help my subscribers to get their best one. So let's start the video. So my honest review for my favorite brushes set is from Mars Cosmetic. This brush set have 8 brushes, 3 face brushes and 5 eye brushes. I have been using these brushes for the last 3 or 4 months and I am very happy with the quality of these brushes. So let's start with this big brush. So if I talk about this brush, product quality wise, a big thumbs up. The bristles of this brush are so soft for skin. Quality wise, I give 100 out of 100. The grip of this brush is awesome. Coming on to the main part is that this is foundation brush, which is in number F101. This brush will give you a perfect flawless base for your party makeup or your medium to high coverage makeup. So gentle on your skin. Believe me, this brush blends foundation so well. So come on to the next brush, which is this small brush. The bristles are so soft, same as a foundation brush. Honestly, I am in love with their bristles. Coming on to the main part is this is a concealer and highlighter brush, which is in number F103. This is a multi-purpose brush for blending concealer on your eyelid, under eye, contouring nose, cheekbone, and for jawline. Now coming on to the eye brushes. As they have given 5 eye brushes, they have given all types of brushes for beginners as well as for professional makeup artists. So coming on to this small brush. I hope you are not getting bored. Coming on to the main part. Basically, this is pencil brush, which is in number E102. It's used for smudging eyeshadow along the lower lash line, smoking out eyeliner, and creating a defined crease. Bristles are soft as usual. If you want me to make a full makeup tutorial with these brushes, then let me know in the comment section. Those who are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to get the newest videos directly to you. Also share my videos with your family and friends. And don't forget to like this video. So coming on to the main part. Let's know about this brush. This is a big fluffy brush. Coming on to the main part. So this is a blending brush, which is in number E101. The grip of this brush set is awesome. A blending brush is fantastic for blending and buffing together eyeshadow colors. You can also use it for contour, bronzer, and highlighter. Honestly, I use this brush for applying highlighter on my highlighting points, because this brush gives a natural highlighting finish.